Imagine a kitchen assistant that brings convenience and efficiency right to your countertop. That's what the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker does. It's more than a cooking appliance. It's a culinary revolution. This intelligent device connects to the Chef IQ app via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, opening doors to over 600 guided cooking recipes and a plethora of culinary how-to videos. You can control and monitor your smart cooker right from your smartphone, and the cooking calculator provides precise cooking parameters for every ingredient you use. One of the key features of the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is its built-in scale. It's never been simpler to measure ingredients and cook by weight. Say goodbye to the clutter of measuring cups. With 4 integrated smart sensors, this smart cooker measures ingredients accurately and tells you exactly how much liquid is needed to cook meals to perfection. Safety and convenience are at the forefront of the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker's design. The auto pressure release feature automatically releases steam at the end of pressure cooking. It offers 3 pressure release methods: quick, pulse, and natural, with over 1,000 cooking presets stored on the smart cooker and another 1,000 built into the cooking calculator in the Chef IQ app. This device simplifies meal prep. Input your ingredient, and the cooker provides exact cooking time and temperature settings. And the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker keeps getting smarter. It receives wireless firmware updates via the Chef IQ app, gaining additional features and continually improving its cooking algorithms. To summarize, the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is a game changer. It offers a seamless connection to a world of culinary guidance, has a built-in scale for precise measurements, and an auto pressure release for safety and convenience. It's packed with over 2,000 cooking presets and continually improves with wireless updates. This isn't just a smart cooker, it's your personal kitchen assistant. So why wait? Elevate your cooking experience today with the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker.